Oh my god, that's so cool. You lock this up, and then if you want to unlock it, you just press here. I also love the wheels. They're very smooth, and I love that they're black instead of gray. It's pretty incredible. First impressions, it's beautiful. Anytime I check any bag, like, it comes back and it's really scratched up and scuffed and just dirty. This is my new carry-on, which is so beautiful. Oh my god, like the light is shining and it just looks so amazing, even with the luggage cover. I got some new luggage, so let's unbox it. Okay, so it comes with a little case for it, so if you don't want to get, you know, any dirt, any scratches, any scuffs, it already comes with nice protection, which is great. And yeah, I believe you can also use it as a dust bag. Pretty neat. And I'm gonna be unboxing and telling you a little more about it. This is, I believe, the tag, luggage tag, right? Yes, here it is. So pretty high quality. Yeah, very nice. I wish I was able to pick a color. It just comes with a black luggage tag. I gotta say, I've been a huge fan of light brown luggage tags, especially with silver luggage, which as you can see here in a minute, that's what I got. And I've been obsessed with silver luggage, aluminum luggage, and I tested so many different carry-ons, so many different luggage brands, and I've always seen MVST luggage all over YouTube, and I was curious about it, and they decided to message me and ask if I want to collaborate with them, so thank you. And I was able to pick this beautiful suitcase, so let's get into it. Okay, so it comes with a dust bag, so this is nice that you get this little case in addition. Honestly, for like a regular suitcase, I definitely plan to use a luggage case, because as you know, like with my Mona's luggage, it's been pretty scuffed, pretty scratched, so I got a new one and I will definitely use a luggage case. But with a carry-on, since I'm very gentle usually with it, I feel like there is not a lot of need for it, but it's nice that they give you that for free. Mona's, you gotta pay $45. So this is it. Let me show you. It is an aluminum carry-on. It's the second one that I own, and oh, it's pretty. God, I love how light it is, because the other carry-on that I have is quite heavy compared to, for example, like my husband's carry-on. Plastic. Anyhow, this is what it looks. Actually, let me lower the camera so you can see better. Okay, I think this is a little better. So here, let me take this off. What is great about it, and what I really was looking forward to, is that you have one TSA lock, and basically as soon as you unlock this, both of these handles are unlocked. While compared to my other level 8 carry-on, I had to unlock both TSA locks, which was kind of annoying, especially if I was in a rush to just, like, you know, unlock it, open it. It was kind of a pain. Like, I don't need that much security. I don't need two separate, you know, codes for one carry-on. So this is just more convenient, and it is also lighter, and I was just kind of looking forward to it, because like my husband's Monos hybrid carry-on is much lighter, and I was kind of jealous, not gonna lie. So this is still beautiful aluminum. It's not polycarbonate, so you're not gonna see any scuffs, any like dirt marks, which it should, I mean, it may scratch up, like, but you're not gonna be able to see it as much as on a polycarbonate carry-on or suitcase. So that's something I was looking forward. And here, okay, please, oh my god, did you guys see it? This is so cool. Okay, so you lock this up, and then if you want to unlock it, you just press here. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this is what it looks like inside. You get nice spaces here, let me see. So you unlock it from the top or from the bottom. Oh, which is nice. You can just take this off if you don't want to use it. I like that. I'm gonna put it here for now, but this is a standard size. It should fit on most airplanes. Honestly, it's, yeah, so you shouldn't need to worry about. But of course, check measurements, especially if you are taking, you know, some smaller domestic flights with, like, you know, on a super small planes. So make sure to check it, but it should fit, you know, most domestic flights. And yeah, I would say you get standard, you know, 2 pockets, I always use this side of the suitcase for like laundry. It's basically after I come back from a trip, I just put like dirty laundry in this part, so it's like completely separated from all the other luggage that I put here. I do like that. But yeah, this is pretty straightforward. I wouldn't say it's like anything. Yeah, you get a little branding here. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back. But it's nice that you get this in addition. So like you get two more pockets here. But if you like, I mean, honestly, it's pretty light already. So it's not gonna be adding that much weight. But let me. Oh, this is. I love the logs. They feel very high quality. And let me take this off. Is there anything? No, it's just empty. Oh, nice handle, nice grip. I also love the wheels. They're very smooth, and I love that they're black instead of gray. So it just looks a lot better, even though like I have a lot of dust from my dog here and fur. But if you're taking this outside, it's so much better that it's dark. So I love that. Can't get over how light it is. It's pretty incredible. So obviously I'm gonna take it on a trip and test it out, but first impressions, obviously it's beautiful. I love how it looks. I love the nice, I mean, this is so high quality. I love how it's just like soft close, handles, sturdy handle here, and I love that it has one TSA lock. So I want to open it quickly. I literally just press here and it unlocks it. And love the black wheels, love how light it is. Honestly, it's pretty nice. It's also very cool that it comes with the luggage case. So in case like you really want to, you know, make sure that this is pristine and doesn't have any scratches, any marks, like this is gonna be great. It's pretty straightforward, but it's pretty easy. Like that's pretty much it. And obviously you can open this up, put your nice personal item here. Underneath, you just put this together. Okay. And this is it. So this is what it looks like with the luggage case. So I mean, obviously, you know, maybe it doesn't look as pretty as without it, but still pretty cool. Especially like it's nice to have it, like keep it in your suitcase in case, you know, the plane is full and you have to check in your carry-on. You want to put this on before, because anytime I check any bag, like it comes back and it's insanely scratched up and scuffed and just dirty. So this is nice to have, even just like if you want to keep your luggage clean, you know, you put it back in the closet, and yeah, you want to minimize the maintenance. Like this is great. So I love that. And it comes with a little luggage tag. Not this side. So I'm usually, I mean, honestly, you can also put it here. But for carry-on, I usually just put it here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. It's kind of cute here. So pretty nice quality. But yeah, this is honestly, like, for aluminum luggage, it's one of the cheapest out there. Even though, like, I think it's the same price as level 8. But I would say these features that I just mentioned make it even better, especially that it's lighter, it has just one lock, a lot easier to open, just less hassle, and black wheels. That's why I'm just so excited to switch. Even though like I've been loving my level 8 aluminum carry-on, this is definitely an upgrade. I was even considering getting the Away. Technically, I mean, it is fully aluminum, because like obviously Monos Hybrid is not fully aluminum suitcase. It's polycarbonate, so it's not the same, even though it looks similar. So I was considering the Away, but it's $200 extra than this one, and I'm not sure if it's worth it. Like it looks very pretty, but this, I believe, is pretty competitive, especially with all the, you know, accessories that you get. I mean, I wish it did come with some laundry bags like the Monos, but honestly, I have so many laundry bags from Monos. I do use it all the time for shoes. Anytime I pack shoes, I always put them in Monos laundry bags, which is great. So I have plenty, but this is it. This is my new carry-on, which is so beautiful. Oh my god, like the light is shining and it just looks so amazing, even with the luggage cover, which is so cool. Like honestly, I'm not considering actually using the luggage cover because it honestly doesn't look that bad, and it's gonna keep this like looking brand new. So yeah, let me know. Ooh, so, and beautiful dust cover for the luggage. Anytime I store it, I always like to keep it in the dust cover just to protect it from dust. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna link this carry-on down below, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.